Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lamont, local and long-distance movers near me. Our professional movers understand how to make certain your long-distance move doesn't involve all the worry. Whether you're moving a single state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to help you. By having the right moving services to help you, any relocation, small or large, becomes a lot easier. Using our team gives you easy access to all the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify the price when hiring a California moving company. A closer look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a practical option. You will certainly save time with your local relocation if you work with the moving company. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. When you choose our movers, you receive experts ready to make your local move super easy. 3 Movers knows how to simplify your move. It doesn't matter how big your move is, we can get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lamont Moving Business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.